All right, what's going on, everybody? How's everybody? Ooh. Hold up. All right, sorry, I had to get turn up there for a little quick. Oh shit. With the short intro today, but basically we are going to be going through a little updated dorm tour. As you can see, a lot of things are kind of new in the dorm, keeping positive energy. Got some music in the background, but yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this kind of updated dorm tour for 2020. If you want more content like this, subscribe and like below. Check out the Instagrams if you want to also. And yeah, just let me know in the comments what you overall think about it. I'm about to show you all it, so let's get started right now. All right, so as you can see, the first new addition of my dorm, I guess we'll just go over to this side right here that you can clearly see. So I've brought the Supreme towel back, and I brought it up to right here, so it's hung up right here on the walls. Hopefully, because I know there's a housing thing today, and they have rules about like hanging things within like 2 feet from the ceiling, which I think I'm gonna honestly like talk to them, be like, boys, girls, whoever's talking to me, like I'm just gonna be like, guys, how can I hang this 2 feet down from the ceiling? There's like no space to do that, you know what I mean? But aside from that, I got that Supreme towel, so hopefully they'll let me keep those, and the lights. Hopefully they let me keep those, because I know they were a little questionable about those, but a lot of people have them, literally so many people, so I don't think they're gonna make me take those down. I don't think they really care. They've been pretty chill. But yeah, you can see the LED lights. I got them on like kind of the setting. I've kind of been mentioned these last few videos that I've gotten them, but now I got them set up all the way around. So you can see they kind of just like change colors progressively, kind of like throughout, which I think is really, really nice. And I kind of am a big fan of that. And I guess we'll also show you all this aside from my beautiful color changing LED lights, which I also got above the bed right here. You can see me rocking with it. I didn't make my bed for the video, but that's something Tristan would do. He would never make his bed before a video, just keep it honest. That's like what I'm like. I forget stuff like that. But yeah, we got this going on up here. I'll show you all this section in a second. Don't want to do too much, but yeah, really, I want to show you some of the details on this towel. It's like you can see, it's really, really nice. I love this one. It's a valuable piece. You got the little Supreme right there. Maybe you can read that, peep that right there. But yeah, this towel, super dope. You could bring it to the beach or anything, but I kind of just got it, for the room, and it's hanging up here. So this right here on this wall, and the lights are changing, and that's kind of just like, I really mess with that vibe. Like, it just, I don't know, you know me, it just, I kind of mess with that. And also got it, going like all around. They're all like all up here. I wish I could, was tall enough to reach up there and put them there and there, but I ended up just putting them right here because that works out. But yeah, we got those, and then the lights all around, which I really like. But yeah, the next section I guess that we could go over, I might as well go over the, just kind of like the parts over here. So right here, over in this section, we got like my jacket and stuff. But also shout out my boy Lincoln. This is his. It's just like basically like the foldable stool. So I made a joke like, yo, every kid has this in their dorm. That's like you. And I'm like, yeah, this is my friend's, not mine. But yeah, I got this one, and I messed with it. And then got this bag, got some food in there, got my trunk in there, which has a Stone Island jacket, a Louis Vuitton bag, and a Lacoste jacket, and it's like some other stuff in there. So I got that one that's locked for a good reason. A good reason. That's valuable stuff. Laundry and all that's right there. Essential. If you're getting clothes dirty, man, you're gonna need this. OxiClean really does help you get the stains out of your clothes pretty good. I mean, like, even after a few days, like a week after, like, it can help you get old stains out, which I think is super fire. So shout out OxiClean. No sponsor, no nothing, just hooking it up, And yeah, you got like detergent there and stuff. I just got all that. And then, also, I got like a hook. I don't remember where I found this, but I just found this somewhere, and I used it and hung it up like on my dorm side bed right here. And I used to hang my jacket, which I wear most often. So we got the Supreme Lacoste jacket hanging by the hook right there, right by the stool, and I kind of mess with that. So that's one thing we got there. And then, kind of I moved the trash can over there. I moved that there so I could actually now fit the chair all the way in there, because I used to have the trash can tucked in there and I couldn't fit the chair in. But now also, just want to mention this, hey, microwave gang, man. Hey, you're gonna need this, of course, for college, and yeah, this is very important. Always be heating up food, pre-made meals. Got the Cliff Bars and stuff like that. Also got like some plastic dishes. Those end up being useful. You can just like wash them out with dish soap in like your sink, or just like I keep like all my stuff fairly clean, like in my area. I'm very like kind of like, that's important to me, especially right now. So keeping everything clean, I've been doing that. And we also got some more books and stuff like for classes. Command strips. Command strips are important because that's what you end up using, like to hang your stuff. You end up using like command strips and things like that. So command strips are something that's a must cop when you're coming to college. If you plan to hang anything in your wall, because they're like 99% chance they're not going to let you drill stuff into the wall. Okay. so you're gonna need command strips. But yeah, I guess we'll head over to the section where you do hear the music coming from, you hear the bops coming from, man. So right over here, we got the app state flag, all that. Right, this is hung up right here with, of course, command strips. You know, this is just, again, kind of just one representing like my college, and I got the little flag here too. I mainly just added these two to cover this wall. I may change them because, you know, I mess with this one I also mess with, but, you know, maybe add like a little poster or something here. And I'll discuss that in a second, but yeah, right here, you know, we just got like my monitor and stuff. I usually just sit here and, you know, I can like watch videos. I can also edit videos on this monitor, so that ends up being really useful. And yeah, you know, we're just, hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but I'm talking over it, so they'll probably just be reasonable with me. And, you know, shout out Key, hopefully Key, you know, will bless me. But if you get in this bag, he's getting this bag. And yeah, you know, that's just like right here. Also got like the Xbox One with it. And I got the notebook covered in pasta sauce for my religious class, which I got some work I need to do for today, which I will do. But your boy gonna be putting out a video probably first. And no, I'm not like disorganized my priorities. I'm just saying, you know, I value other things ahead. Rewording 101 right there. But yeah, aside from messing around and all that, oh, also something else, I'd never mentioned this, but you gonna want like a freezer or something. So, you know, I got the little freezer. You could definitely put like drinks, or like what I mean by drinks is like, you know, Gatorade. Like, you know, I'd be drinking a lot of Gatorade because, you know, Gatorades taste good. Water, orange juice, basically any food you need to keep cold that you could put in there, stuff like that. Or, you know, whatever kind of stuff, you know, just, yeah, I didn't tell you. I'm just messing around. And also in this section, I completely passed over. We have right here, we got this red chair, the super comfy red chair. If you know, you know the people that have been in my room. This chair is the vibe. It's just super comfy, and you can kind of just sit back, chill in it. And it's next to, again, another chair which I got right here, which, you know, you can sit here. I also got another one over there. So, you know, if I have like some people that I'm chilling with, they can come and just like sit right there. And then also, right here, you know, I got like the fan I got from Amazon again. I could turn up the settings on it. I'm just on a super light mode right now on it, so you don't hear like a bunch of fan background noise while I'm making this video, because I know that would just be super annoying, and I don't want that to be the case. So yeah, you know, that's just another thing is there. And then also over here, I forgot to mention, you know, we also got the Cheez-It pack. Someone made a joke the other day in a video I thought was really funny. I was telling people to be healthy, and literally the next clip was me showing me unboxing these Cheez-Its. And you know, that did make me think, you know, like I was like, you know, if I'm telling people to be healthy, I really need to look out for myself more, you know what I mean? So I need to figure out where I can like get like natural foods, you know, because I'm trying to like get healthy, you know. Because I mean, I do like salad. Salad is like one of my favorite things, no cap. I'm not like any like weird stuff, you know. Just like salad, not no weird enough. Caesar salad, gas. I don't know why I was thinking like, why did I think it's weird to like a kind of food? That's my mind for you. But yeah, basically right over here too, we also got some more essentials and things like that. You know, guys, like a bag you could hold like a computer in if you need that. Also got a dish I need to clean. And this is also like the section where I'd be cleaning dishes. Like I got this main dish set. Big shout out my mom for suggesting this and getting this for me. I like seriously thank her. I'm not even gonna cap. My mom got this one for me. Thank you. And this also, I bought this, but this is like a mini cornhole set. This is a big move. You know, just something like you could you know, use with like your friends or whatever, go out and about, and just like something like for a little like room cornhole. I mean, I really want to get like a real cornhole set, because like imagine playing like cornhole like in the hall, which, you know, y'all probably can't see. You know, you look through the people, you kind of see the hall a little bit. I can't see. Y'all will not be able to see that, but yeah, you know, the hall's over there. And also over here, you know, it's like just kind of like trash and stuff. I got some boxes that need to throw out. Got one shirt hung up here. This one. This super fresh Tommy Bahama. You know, like I like this one. It's kind of like the older vintage style with the wood buttons. And yeah, also the lights that go all around and up by like the flag again. And also over here I got like a cooler, nutrient bars, different stuff, kind of like a whole rundown. And just so nice. Like I love, but this is something you need, like a monitor or something is really good to have for your room, so you could use it as like, if you have like an Xbox, you could use it for TV, for games. I'm pretty sure y'all know what a monitor serves for, so bring a monitor, you know, it just ends up being useful and something you want, you know. Also got like some shoes and stuff there. That's also what I got in here. Like I got a bunch of clothes and stuff down here, as y'all can see. I got some shoes, and like also in here, I got more, like way more shoes in here, as y'all can see. So kind of like some more shoes we got. And yeah, you know, that's just kind of like all around the dorm overall. overall, which I say mostly what it looks like, you know. And you know, and also got like some essentials, you know, some like if you need, you're gonna need pens and pencils, obviously, even with the online classes and stuff like that. You also probably want some AirPods if you got to be out and about, like on a Zoom call, you're walking back somewhere and got to be on one or something, you know. I mean, usually I schedule my stuff around, so I don't got to do that. But yeah, you know, that's pretty much the whole setup of the dorm. I do have working lights. I just am not using them and got the LED ones on right now. But yeah, that's overall what my dorm looks like now. I've changed it up a lot, and I probably will add some more stuff on this wall over here since, you know, your boy don't got no roommate. You know, he don't have a roommate, so I'll probably end up doing something with this. Someone said to lower it and kind of turn it into like a futon type thing, which I think is a great idea. I would need to think where to move this. So if y'all got any suggestions of where I should move these two things, if I bring this down and the fan, maybe I can move it, like, you know, I'd figure it out. But let me know if you guys got any suggestions. And yeah, you know, that's pretty much the outro, I'd say. So hope you guys did enjoy. If you all want more content just like this video, and you know, from my boy Gunna and Thug, be sure you guys go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like. I'd appreciate that. Let's try and hit, like, let's say 200 likes, and I'll bring you all another part because I'm going to add more stuff, and I will bring you all another if this one does well enough and you guys want it. So yeah, another college vid I'm bringing you all. Hopefully you all did enjoy. And yeah, that's a tour of the new dorm and what it looks like with the lights and everything kind of all around. And yeah, you know, we've changed it up. It looks nice. Got the towel there. And yeah, I'm liking it. So go check my, also go check out my Instagrams down below. If y'all haven't given me a follow there, I'd appreciate that. Go a long way. Thank you all. And yeah, that's everything I got to say right now, really. So hope you all did enjoy. Thank you all for watching. I'm Tristan. I'm going to see you on the next video, hopefully. Peace out.